Welcome everyone to Math Time! I'm Mr. Julius Ineta, or you can call me Boss G, and I will be your teacher for today's lesson. Good day everyone. Our lesson for today is all about finding the equation of a line. In finding the equation of a line, we can use the slope-intercept form if the given is the slope and the y-intercept. You can also find the equation of the line using the point-slope form if the given is a point and the slope. You can also find the equation of a line using the intercept form if the given are the x and y intercept. So if 2 points are given, we can find the equation of the line using the 2-point form. So let's start with the slope-intercept form. In slope-intercept form, remember when we had our writing linear equations in two variables, an equation written in slope-intercept form follows the form y is equal to mx plus b. So m here is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Here, you can use the slope-intercept form to find the equation of a line if the given are the slope and y-intercept. Remember also that in finding the equation of a line, we always write the equation in standard form. That is following the form ax plus by is equal to c. Let's say for example, number 1. Slope is equal to positive 2. Y-intercept is equal to positive 3. Now find the equation of the line. So using the formula y is equal to mx plus b, we're going to substitute the values of the slope and y-intercept, thus giving us y equals to value of the slope 2, so we have 2x, then value of y-intercept, it's positive 3, so we have plus 3. If you notice, we already have our equation, but it is written in slope-intercept form, so we need to transform it into standard form. So we're going to transpose 2x to the other side of the equation, giving you negative 2x plus y is equal to positive 3. In linear equation involving two variables, we should always have a positive first term. So here, there is a negative first term. For us to make it a positive, we're going to multiply the whole equation by negative 1. That way, we are not changing the value of the equation. So negative 1 multiplied by negative 2x is equal to positive 2x. Negative 1 multiplied by positive y is equal to negative y, equal to negative 1 multiplied by 3 is negative 3. And you now have the equation of the line with the slope of m equal to 2 and y-intercept equal to 3. So let's try some more. Let's have number 2. Say the slope is equal to 2/3 and y-intercept is equal to negative 2. What is the equation of the line? Using the formula y is equal to mx plus B. So we substitute the values of the slope and y-intercept. So we have y equals, slope is 2/3, so 2/3 x, and y-intercept is -2, so we have -2. If you notice, you have here the denominator 3. So to remove the denominator 3, we need to multiply the whole equation by the denominator. So let us multiply the equation by 3. 3 times y is equal to 3y equals 2 times 3 multiplied by x is 6x divided by 3 is equal to 2x. -2 multiplied by 3 is -6. So transform the equation into standard form. We transpose positive 2x to the other side of the equation, giving you -2x plus 3y is equal to -6. So let us make the first term positive by multiplying the whole equation by -1. So -1 multiplied by -2x is equal to positive 2x. -1 multiplied by positive 3y is -3y equals -1 multiplied by -6 is positive 6. And you now have the equation of the line whose slope equal to 2/3 and y-intercept equal to -2. So let's have letter B, point slope form. In finding the equation of a line given the point and the slope, you're going to use the point slope form to find the equation. So we need to follow the formula y minus y sub 1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x sub 1. So m here is the slope, x sub 1 and y sub 1 are the given coordinates or the values of x and y of the given point. Let's say for example, we have here the point 1, positive 2 and slope equal to positive 3. So using the given formula y minus y sub 1 equals m multiplied by x minus x sub 1. Now what are the values of x sub 1 and y sub 1? So we have here the given point. No, we all know that in an ordered pair, the first number is the value of x and the second number is the value of y. So we will be denoting the first number as x sub 1 and let us denote the second number as the value of y sub 1. Now using the values of x sub 1, y sub 1 and the slope, we're going to substitute it to the given formula. Y minus y sub 1 is positive 2 equals slope equal to positive 3 multiplied by x minus x sub 1 equal to positive 1. So here we're going to distribute 3 to x minus 1. So we obtain y minus 2 is equal to 3 times x is 3x. 3 multiplied by -1 is -3. So we're now ready to transform the given equation into standard form. So we need to transpose 3x to the other side of the equation. We now have -3x plus y minus 2 is equal to -3. So the constant -2 should be transposed to the other side of the equation. From negative, it becomes positive 2. So we now have -3x plus y is equal to -3 plus 2 is equal to -1. So if you look at the given equation or the equation, The first term is negative, so we need to make it positive by multiplying the whole equation by negative 1. So negative 1 multiplied by negative 3x is positive 3x. Negative 1 multiplied by y is negative y equals negative 1 multiplied by negative 1 is positive 1. And we now have the equation of the line passing through the points 1, 2 with a slope of positive 3. So let's have one more. Number 2. Given the point negative 2, negative 3 with the slope equal to positive 2. Now what is the equation of the line passing through the point negative 2, negative 3 with the slope equal to 2? Using the formula y minus y sub 1 equals m multiplied by x minus x sub 1. We substitute the values. Remember that the first number on the ordered pair is denoted as x sub 1 and the second number is denoted as y sub 1. Now let us substitute the values. Y minus value of y sub 1 is negative 3. So we have here negative 3 equals value of the slope 2 multiplied by x minus value of x sub 1 equal to negative 2. So negative multiplied by negative 3 gives you positive 3. So we have y plus 3 equals 2 multiplied by negative multiplied by negative 2 is positive 2. So we have here x plus 2. So we distribute 2 to x and positive 2. So y plus 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by x is 2x. 2 multiplied by 2 is positive 2. So transform it into standard form. Transpose 2x to the other side of the equation. We now have negative 2x plus y plus 3 is equal to positive 2. Transpose the constant positive 3 to the right side of the equation. From positive, it becomes negative 3. So you now have negative 2x plus y is equal to 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So we have a negative first term here. To make it positive, you're going to multiply the whole equation by negative 1. So negative 1 multiplied by negative 2x is positive 2x. Negative 1 multiplied by positive y is negative y equals negative 1 multiplied by negative 1 is equal to positive 1. And you now have the equation of the line passing through the points negative 2, negative 3, and a slope equal to 2. So let's have letter C. Intercept form. So you can use the intercept form in finding the equation of the line if the given are the x and y intercept. So we follow the formula x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. So a here is our x-intercept and b is the y-intercept. Let's say for example, number 1. So x-intercept is equal to positive 2. Y-intercept is equal to positive 3. So using the formula x over a plus y over b is equal to 1, we substitute the values of the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So x over what is the value of a? Positive 2 plus y over the value of b equal to positive 3 equals 1. Now, to remove the denominator, we're going to multiply the whole equation by the least common denominator. So in this case, the least common denominator is equal to 6. So we need to multiply the whole equation by 6. So 6 times x is equal to 6x over 2 plus 6 times y is 6y over 3 equals 1 times 6 is equal to 6. So 6x divided by 2 is equal to 3x plus 6y divided by 3 is equal to 2y equal to 6. And you now have the equation of the line given x-intercept equal to 2 and y-intercept equal to 3. So let's try one more. So we have here number 2. X-intercept is equal to negative 5. Y-intercept is equal to negative 10. Now find the equation of the line. Using the formula x over a plus y over b equals 1, we substitute the values of a and b, or x-intercept and y-intercept. X over negative 5 plus y over negative 10 is equal to positive 1. So we multiply the whole equation by the least common denominator, which is equal to negative 10. So negative 10 multiplied by x is negative 10x over negative 5 plus negative 10 multiplied by y is negative 10y over negative 10 equals negative 1 multiplied by 1, or negative 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to negative 10. So negative 10 divided by negative 5 is equal to positive 2. So we have 2x. Negative 10y divided by negative 10 is equal to positive y. So we have plus y equals negative 10. So you now have the equation of the line with a y-intercept equal to negative 10 and x-intercept equal to negative 5. So let's have letter D. 2-point form. So if the given are 2 points, then you can use the 2-point form to find the equation of the line. Following the formula y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 multiplied by x minus x sub 1. So if given 2 points, you will have the values of y sub 1, x sub 1, y sub 2, and x sub 2. Let's say, for example, we have the first point as positive 1, positive 2. The second point as positive 3, positive 4. So the first coordinate, or the first ordered pair, is denoted as x sub 1, y sub 1. The second point is denoted as x sub 2, y sub 2. Now let us substitute the values to the given formula. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 multiplied by x minus x sub 1. So y minus value of y sub 1 is equal to 2. So minus 2 equals y sub 2 is equal to 4 minus y sub 1 is positive 2. X sub 2 is 3. X sub 1 is positive 1. So multiplied by x minus the value of x sub 1 equals to 1. So y sub 2 or y minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to positive 2 over 3 minus 1 is positive 2 multiplied by x minus 1. So y minus 2 is equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 multiplied by x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1. So we transpose x to the other side of the equation, giving you negative x plus y minus 2 is equal to negative 1. So we transpose negative 2 to the other side, giving you positive 2. So we now have negative x plus y is equal to negative 1 plus 2 is positive 1. So we have a negative first term here. We need to multiply the whole equation by negative 1. So negative 1 multiplied by negative x is positive x. Negative 1 multiplied by positive y is negative y equals negative 1 multiplied by 1 is negative 1. And you now have the equation of the line passing through the points 1, positive 2 and 3, positive 4. So let's have another example. So number 2, we have negative 2, negative 3, and the second point, 5, negative 4. So find the equation of the line passing through the points negative 2, negative 3, and 5, negative 4. So using the formula y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 multiplied by x minus x sub 1. So we have here x sub 1, let's denote it, and y sub 1. Let's denote the second coordinates as x sub 2 and y sub 2. So substitute the values. Y minus y sub 1 is negative 3. So we have here negative 3 equals y sub 2 is negative 4 minus y sub 1 is negative 3 over x sub 2 is positive 5 minus x sub 1 equal to negative 2 multiplied by x minus x sub 1 is negative 2. We have here negative 2. So negative multiplied by negative 3 is positive 3. So we have y plus 3 equals negative 4. Negative multiplied by negative 3 is positive 3 over 5. Negative multiplied by negative 2 is positive 2 multiplied by x. Negative multiplied by negative 2 is positive 2. So y plus 3 is equal to negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1 over 5 plus 2 is positive 7 multiplied by x plus 2. If you notice, you have here a denominator. So for us to remove the denominator, we need to multiply the whole equation by 7. So 7 multiplied by y is equal to 7y plus 7 multiplied by 3 is 21 equals 7 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 7 divided by 7 is negative 1 multiplied by x plus 2. So we distribute negative 1 to x and positive 2. So you now have 7y plus 21 is equal to negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 multiplied by positive 2 is negative 2. So we need to transform this into standard form. So transpose negative x to the other side of the equation. From negative, it becomes positive. So we obtain x plus 7y plus 21 is equal to negative 2. Transpose the constant positive 21 to the other side of the equation. From positive, it becomes negative 21. So we now have x plus 7y is equal to negative 2 minus 21 is negative 23. And you now have the equation of the line passing through the points negative 2, negative 3, and 5, negative 4. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from me today. Have fun learning. Goodbye. See you on the next video.